You guys, listen, I got a dilemma. You see this comb right here? This comb right here will tell me everything I need to know about how dirty my hair is, okay? And it's 100% we know, okay? At least I know that my hair is dirty. But the dilemma is, I don't want to go wash my hair. I don't want to mess up my progress by washing my hair and doing heck of work to get it back to looking like this. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna see how dirty my hair actually is with this comb. Let's go.
HustleDreamProduction.
And to my surprise, it's actually not that bad. Even though it's bad, it's kind of bad. But it's not that bad. I thought it was gonna be worse. But nevertheless, I'm about to go to the store, get some dry shampoo, and see if that will work for my hair. You know the dry shampoo where you spray it in? My wife uses it, you know? So I thought that, hey, maybe it could work for me. Well, we just gonna find out. Let's go. Guys, listen, one thing that I do know is that this right here, this product right here, it better work, man. Or else I'm gonna be like really worried, you know what I mean? I do not want to wash my hair like that. Every time I wash my hair, it takes at least 2 weeks to bounce back. At least 2 weeks. Hopefully, man, I could really just use this product and my hair is clean. Now, the likelihood of that happening, I'm gonna be honest, is kind of slim. But we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna make it happen. All right, you guys, so first things first, let's try this product out and see how it works, okay? Let's just give it a try. All right, you guys, it's time to see if this here products right here, the Dove Dry Shampoo Invisible Shampoo actually works. Let's go.
HustleDreamProduction.
So the directions read: shake can before use, hold can 8 to 12 inches away from the root, and spray on lifted sections of dry hair. We're just gonna apply it and brush it in. That's all we're gonna do. Step 2, massage into roots to absorb oil. Pretty much gonna brush, okay? Step 3, brush through and style as usual. Now that we will do. Let's go. It's definitely going on invisible. I feel like that's enough. Get that crown area, Let's go in for the session. Alright, so at this point, I feel as though that it's not getting down. That is not getting down to the roots. So I'm gonna use my comb. Why not use my comb? You know what I mean? I'm gonna spray it one more time and use my comb. Get down to the roots. Let's go. Oh man, that was real. Oh my God. It's real thick up in here. I'm gonna be honest. My eyes are watering. You see my eyes watering? Woo! Let that clear out. All right. Hey, on the real, man, I need to cut this off. My God. This is way too long, man. This way too long. Dry shampoo actually, I mean, it does have my hair like dry, and it doesn't seem like my comb doesn't seem to be like too dirty. Nothing what it was, you know, before I started. But I mean, it is dry. It seemed like it took the oils up out of it for real. Cause my stuff is like an afro. So I guess that's the point. It absorbed all the oil that was in my hair. So that's basically a good thing, I guess. We'll just have to find out, because I'm not washing my hair, all right? I refuse to wash my hair. So we're gonna find out when Get Beam cuts my hair. If I got flakes, if I got too much oil, we'll find out when the haircut arrives, okay? Let me put some more in. All right, you guys, so now I'm just gonna chill, okay? I'm gonna steam my hair. Just hope for the best, okay?